Hello you guys, this is Daisy Taught You, and I will be showing you guys a quick tutorial on how I achieve this everyday wash and glow. Right here you will see me applying my leave-in conditioner. I try to really saturate, but not too much. You know, my hair type isn't the type that really needs to be too saturated, but just off the strength of me wanting to keep my curls and my moisture saturated just a bit, enough that it'll be a little white, but it wouldn't be anything that would stick around, you know. So right here you see me going in with my leave-in. I'm going up in a raking motion, kind of like a rake slash scrunch. I will keep on doing that until I'm satisfied. And I am using the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is one of my faves. So once I feel satisfied with that, I go ahead into my gel. So I've been getting mixed reviews on this gel. I personally like it. Definitely since I just recently did my big chop and I'm trying to grow my hair back out, I felt like that was the most effective one for me. And also it leaves your hair super duper defined and moisturized. So if that's the type of thing that you're looking for, this gel is amazing. Right now I'm using the Organics Marula oil, and that's just, you know, just oil to seal everything that I just did. And at this point I'm going to slow it down a bit because honey, this is the end all and be all for your wash and go, and that will be your baby hairs. Okay, so I take a little bit of that Eco Styler just to give my my baby hairs or my hairline, whatever you want to call it, a little bit more hold. I go through with the brush to smooth it out first. I take that down a little bit onto my hairline so I have a foundation to work with. And now I'm taking my rat tail comb and I kind of go between the rat tail and the comb itself just to give myself that baby hair, you know, little rippled effect. I use my finger to hold the edge of the curl or wave, whatever you want to call a little finger wave that I'm doing here. So you'll see how I kind of just maneuver through and get those little ripples going. I will go in on the other side and do the exact same thing. I think that the rat tail comb method is the most effective. I used to just use a toothbrush, but after I learned how to do this, my life has been changed and I will never just use a toothbrush again. But you'll see how I use the toothbrush in a couple seconds. after I'm done with my edges, I take my toothbrush and I go in to kind of make that little swoosh at the top that I like. Girl, you in there. Okay, she's starting to look like something, y'all. We'll be taking my hairspray. This is the one and only Argan Oil hairspray, and I just lightly spritz my hair just a teeny bit to give it a little hold, because I'll be in and out, of my cap all day, and I don't want my curls to be going everywhere. I go through and I take those little straight pieces that I have in the front and kind of manipulate them into the rest of the curls with my finger. I kind of finger coil them, and voila, that is it. Now she is ready. Now this is the important part for me. Living in Colorado, I don't like to have a super soaking wet head, so I take this diffuser piece, and this piece is what really makes or breaks your hair. Like, this holds your style exactly how it was when it was wet, but it doesn't look wet later, if you get what I'm saying. And this is the piece that's very crucial if you have long curly hair, because this wash and go method that I use can be used universally for short or long curls. Just this diffuser piece is what makes it, honey. Like, you can't, this is like a staple in the curly hair community, or at least for my texture. Okay, you need you a diffuser. So I kind of just skip through. I'm pretty much done going through. I just evenly distribute the heat. All right, you guys, so I am back to show you how my curls have held up throughout the day. This is me fresh off of work of doing amazing, awesome things for my United States Army. Hooah. But no, for real, I'm in and out of PC caps, helmets all day. So this is just how my little curls have held up. You see, I got a little bounce back. Boing. So yeah, if you guys like what I've shown you today, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm also at Daisy Taught You on Instagram, and you guys can be there to watch me go through this healthy hair journey. Thank you guys for watching yet again, and deuces.